Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I will be showing you guys how I do this really cute style. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming by. And if you've watched a few videos, guys, please go on ahead and subscribe. I know you like this video. Well, hopefully you do. So please subscribe. So I'm starting off on blow dried hair. I blow dried my hair a little bit just to stretch it, and I divided it first into section the front and the back, and then I'm going to divide the back section into another two section, and then I'm just going to tie off one section to put it on the side, and then I'm just going to work on one section, and then after I finish that section I'm going to move on to the second section. So I'm going to divide this section into about four parts, actually, yeah, into four parts, and then I will do everything that I need to do on this side and then move on to the other side. It's just easier to work with it when your hair is tied up and not in the way. So what I'm just using right now is Garnier Fructis gel. If you straightened your hair to do this, then maybe use age control instead of gel, because gels, most of them are usually water based, so they would, excuse me, they would shrink your hair again. So if you straightened your hair, use the, what do you call it, edge control. If you just blow dried it a little bit like I did, then you can use gel. I think it should be fine. Don't mind my parts, guys. I know they look crazy, they're not straight. If I was going somewhere special, then I would make sure they're straight, like get someone to help you do the partings, but I am not going anywhere special. I mean, I know every day is special, but like, yeah, I don't think anyone who'll see me today will mind that they're not straight. And it doesn't show that much. Like at the end of it, it doesn't show that much that the lines are not straight. But yeah, so all I'm doing really is just putting the gel at the bottom, and then I'm just taking a black rubber band and I'm tying the little sections. If your hair is long, then use clips to set it aside so that it's not interfering with the hair that you're working with. But that is pretty much all I'm doing. It's pretty much repetition. Okay guys, so here is the next step. I'm just going to connect all of them. All I'm doing is I'm taking the section and then parting it into two, and then taking the two sides and putting them around the next section. So it's very simple. And then I'm only, right now I'm tying the parts that I brought around that section. So the hair at the back, the one that I brought to the front, that is all I'm tying. As you can see, that's what it looks like when you do that. Again, I'm going to repeat the same thing again. I'm just going to part it into two and then take it to the front section and tie it with a rubber band. So here goes. So just dividing it into two sections and then pulling it to the front section. So as you can see, I'm putting it around the front section, and then that hair that I brought to the front, I'm going to tie it with a rubber band. If it's long enough, you can put it together. So first tie it with a rubber band, and then if it's long enough when you're going to tie the next section, then you can put it together. But my hair is actually quite short at the back. I like to believe that my curls are tighter at the back, and it's not that my hair is just longer at the front. But yeah, so it's pretty simple. You can replay it back again if you'd like to see how I did it. If it's not making sense, just replay it back again and you'll see. As you can see, it's just easy. Divide it into two sections, bring it to the front, and tie the hair that you brought to the front with the rubber band. So before you put those two hairs together, not two hairs, oh my god. Before you put them together, make sure you tie the hair that you brought to the front with a rubber band. And then at the end of it, of that section, I'm just twisting the hair just to tie it all together. So I'm going to repeat that on the other section, and this is what they look like at the end. If you had straightened your hair, then it would look much, much cleaner, but I didn't feel like straightening my hair. So this is what we have, and I quite like it, honestly. I think it still looks cute. And now on the easy part. By the way, guys, if you want to, you can just do the same thing for your front part of your hair, but I didn't want to. I just wanted to lay it down with some gel, and I guess you can take laziness into it. Patting those things are no joke, I swear. It's especially at the back of your head. But I just wanted to make this easier, so I just chose to lay my hair down with some gel. I'm still using Garnier Fructis gel. My tab is actually almost done, so I actually need to go and get some new ones. By the way, you can buy this Garnier Fructis gel at Walmart, at Superstore, Whole Foods. It's pretty much everywhere. Everywhere. I wouldn't go to like a specialty store because I think they mostly sell in like local sort of like grocery-ish stores, and they're usually about between $5 to $7. They're fairly cheap and it lasts for a while. But yeah, so that's all. I'm just laying it down, and then I'm just going to use my hair tie and then just tie it down. And while I'm tying down, I'm going to take the two little what do you call them, twists that I did at the back, and I'm going to connect them to the ponytail just to make sure that they're all tied back and laid. And then after that, I'm just going to tie my scarf, and I think I left it in for about an hour or so. I was trying to put on, I just bought a small barbecue from Canadian Tire, and that stupid barbecue comes in parts and I have to put it together. It's still on my dining table right now. So that's what I did for that 1 hour, but I still didn't finish, but I will get to it again. But yeah, so after 1 hour, that is how it looks like. It's pretty much laid, honestly. I like the way it is. I like working with dry hair because it doesn't take a long time for the gel to dry when you put it in, because you don't need to use as much gel as when your hair is wet. But yeah, so that's pretty much what it looks like when it is dry. Guys, excuse the lighting because I'm using daylight to film, and the weather has just been kind of funny. Like it's sunny and then it's not sunny, so the light kind of looks different, like in different clips. Okay, so because I want to show you guys everything, just so you know, like I don't just do this and they walk out. So at the beginning, when I decided to do this style, I wanted to use this hair as my ponytail. I wanted to use the red hair. I know it looks crazy, but I wanted to use the red hair because I feel like it sort of like goes with my dress that I'm wearing, and I just wanted to match it. But yeah, it didn't look cute. I did not like it at all, but I'm just going to show you so you can see, like, I mess up too. I'm not perfect at doing it. But if you like this, then you go on ahead and do it. But I did not like it. After doing it, yeah, I think it just felt like, it just looked like I had placed like something like on my head kind of thing, something red on my head, and it just like, yeah, no, it didn't work out. If your hair is reddish, then I think you'd look cute. But because my hair is black, and like, look at it, honestly, I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking. So because that didn't work out, I got the creative idea that maybe I should unravel the hair and just twist it, because like I had not come to terms with the fact that I did not like it because of like such a huge color difference, like with my hair being black and the extensions being that color. Like, yeah, I tried to make it work again, but yeah, I still I still didn't like it. Yeah, I didn't like it. So at the end of the day, I decided to go with this little puff that I have. And by the way, this puff actually looks really, really natural. It's from Otre. I'll put a link for it down below. I swear it looks like natural hair. It's amazing. Every time I wear it, people cannot tell at all that it's not like my natural puff. My sister's hair is longer and she usually wears it in a puff, and you cannot tell the difference between mine and hers. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. So I decided to go with the puff, and I love that. finally. And yeah, so I really like the style. I think it's really cute. Let me know what you think about it, guys. Again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos. And by the way, turn on the notification button. You know, right beside the subscribe button, there's like a notification, like a bell thing. Just click on that so that you'll be notified when I upload the video. So thanks for coming by my channel, guys. I will see you next time. Bye.